In this video, I'm going to cover what the Google Disavow tool is, what this means and what it allows you to do, and when you should actually use it. So Google has provided a tool called the Disavow Links tool, which allows you to tell Google which links you don't want going to your website, basically. So the idea behind this is that if you have been penalized for certain links going to your website, or someone has done what's called negative SEO, which basically means getting you a bunch of bad backlinks to your site to try and bring your site down, what you can do is tell Google that you don't want these links associated with your website, and ideally for them to remove them and that not have an impact on your website. Now, the thing to note about this tool is that it's not guaranteed to actually work. However, the idea behind it is that it should work. So it doesn't hurt to put the list and submit it to Google if you're trying to get rid of backlinks. So basically what you would need to do is you would need to put together a list of backlinks that you want to get rid of. Now, there's a guide on Google's website, which I'm going to put a link to in the description below, which gives you all the format and all the information you need about this. But basically what you would do is you need to get the list of the backlinks, put them in a text file. And so you can either do the exact link like this, where the whole link with the page and everything else, or you can do the entire domain. As you can see here, you can disavow an entire domain so that no link from that website in theory, will be associated with your website. Now, to get the list of links from your website, there's two ways you can do this. One is Google Search Console. So if you go into Google Search Console and go down to the bottom here under links, you can basically see all the links that Google has registered are linking to your website. And you would go to top linking sites, and here you would get the list of referring domains basically that you could export, and then you could pick out the ones you want, add them to a text file, and submit this. So what you would do is you'd hit export. You can export it however you want and then pull that data out, paste it into a notepad like that. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to try and copy them like this, because I don't want to go through the whole process. But you would just do that, obviously get rid of this stuff. And let's say I wanted to disavow all these. I could disavow Pinterest, Tumblr, Reddit, Rumble, all of these ones, right? And then if I submitted, now in theory, these should get disavowed from my website. Another way you can do it is if you have a tool like SEMrush, where you can put the domain in here as well. So let's put my website in as an example. And SEMrush will give you all the referring domains that it has picked up, and also the actual backlink pages as well. So if you go to referring domains or backlinks, depending on how you want to do it, you can get the entire list of all of the domains linking to your website. You can export that list again as a CSV or Excel, and then you would take that list, paste it into your notepad here, and save this file. And then what you would do is you go into the Disavow tool. Now I'm going to put a link to this as well below, because it's kind of hard to find, so you can just go straight to the URL and open it. So I'll put that in the description below, and you would go here. Now, in order to do this, you need to select the property. So basically you need to have this in your Google Search Console, the website that you want to disavow the links for. You would go down this list and you would select your particular website. So let's say I would select mine, and you just now upload the file and submit it. And then just make a note that you don't want to put any extra comments or anything else in that file. You just want to put the domains that you want disavowed. Some people write stuff in the file as if it's an appeal or something. You don't want to do that. Simply put the list of the domains or the URLs that you want disavowed. If you need to put comments, you can put comments using the hashtag, and it will count that line as a comment, as an example here, but that's not going to get submitted there. But other than that, don't write paragraphs of text or anything else. So that's basically it. Then you submit that file, and then Google's going to do its thing from there. There's not much else you can do. This will at least give a shot where hopefully they will disavow all these domains. Hope you guys found that one useful. If you have any questions about any of this, post them in the comments below and I will answer them. Otherwise, if you'd like me to coach you on how to do SEO and Google ads for only $49 a month, go to learndominatemarketing.com. And if you'd like us to help you with SEO or Google ads for your business, go to dominatemarketing.io, book a call with us there. Catch you on the next one.